Let's learn woven wheel stitch. Woven wheel stitch is also known as rose stitch because once it's complete, it looks like a rose. Let me show you how to do it. You see these 5 lines. We will thread all of them with straight stitches, starting from the center. Now, one by one, we'll make straight stitches on all 5 lines. The most important tip is all 5 straight. Stitches must be very tight. Now bring your needle up from the center, between any 2 lines. We will start weaving the needle over and under these 5 lines alternately. For example, under line 1, over line 2, under line 3, and so on. We will continue weaving like this in a spiral motion until the full circle is formed. Now for line 4, I will take the thread over it, and then under line 5. In the first round, the needle went under line 1. In the next round, it will go over line 1, and again under line 2, and so on. Here's a tip to make it look like a real rose. Just like a real rose is tightly packed at the center and blooms outwards, take the first 5 to 6 rounds tightly, pulling the thread snugly. Then start weaving a little loosely. This gives the stitch a true rose-like appearance. If your thread ends in the middle, don't worry. Wherever you are, simply take the needle down from that spot, pull very lightly, and secure the thread. Be careful, don't pull too hard, or it will ruin the rose. Now, from where you left off, you can start again with a fresh thread. If you feel you made a mistake, you can even go in reverse and fix your stitch. This stitch is so absorbing. It makes you forget everything around you and just focus on doing it right. It's one of the most satisfying stitches in embroidery and one of my personal favorites. Once all the lines are full, take the needle down and secure it from the back. Look how beautiful and 3D this looks. We made this flower using 5 lines. Now I'll show you how to make it using just 3 lines too. Just take a look. You can make this stitch using any odd number of lines. The 3-line version works best when your design is a very tiny circle. In the last flower, I used 2 different thread colors to show shading and left a space in the center to add French knots. So this is how we do the woven wheel stitch flower.